Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. Today's video is one of the very interesting topics to cover, which is all about moving on from narcissistic relationships, finding happiness again. Going through a narcissistic relationship can be emotionally draining and leaves lasting scars on a person's self-esteem and well-being. However, it's important to recognize the significance of moving on from such a relationship and taking steps towards finding happiness again. This video aims to guide individuals who have experienced a narcissistic relationship on their journey to heal and rediscover joy in life. Identifying and understanding narcissistic relationships. Narcissistic relationships are characterized by one partner exhibiting excessive self-importance, a constant need of admiration, and lack of empathy towards the other partner. These relationships are often one-sided, with the narcissist seeking control and exploiting their partner for their own gains. What are the common signs and characteristics of narcissistic relationship? It's crucial to recognize the signs of a narcissistic relationships, which may include manipulative behaviors, constant criticism, gaslighting, and an inability to empathize with the partner's emotions. Understanding these characteristics helps in identifying the toxic dynamics and taking steps towards recovering. What are the psychological impacts on the victim? Victims of narcissistic relationships often experience a range of negative emotions such as low self-esteem, anxiety, and depression. The constant manipulation and devaluation can leave individuals feeling emotionally drained and questioning their self-worth. In this video, we will look at 5 steps to take in the journey of healing and finding happiness again. Number 1, acceptance and self-reflection. To achieve acceptance and self-reflection, the following practices are important. Roman 1, recognizing the need for change. The first step towards healing is acknowledging that the relationship was toxic and accepting the need for change. It's essential to understand that moving on is necessary for personal growth and overall well-being. Roman 2, acknowledging the effects of the relationship. Taking the time to reflect on the impact of the narcissistic relationship helps in gaining clarity and understanding the emotional wounds that needs healing. It's crucial to validate one's feelings and experiences to begin the journey to recovery. Roman 3, importance of self-care and self-love. Practicing self-care and self-love is vital in rebuilding self-esteem and regaining confidence. And engaging in activities that brings joy and fulfillment can help individuals reconnect with their own needs and desires. Number 2, setting boundaries and establishing no contact. In setting boundaries and establishing no contact, these 3 steps are very important. Roman 1, creating healthy boundaries. Setting clear boundaries is essential when dealing with a narcissist. Establishing what is acceptable and what is not helps protect one's emotional well-being and prevent further manipulation or abuse. Roman 2, implementing no contact with a narcissist. Maintaining no contact with a narcissistic partner is crucial for healing and moving forward. Cutting off all communications, including social media connections, minimizes the risk of being drawn back into the toxic dynamics. Roman 3, dealing with guilt and manipulation. Narcissists often employs guilt and manipulation tactics to maintain control over their victims. It's important to recognize these tactics and stay firm in the decision to break free from the toxic relationships, despite any emotional challenges that may arise. Number 3, healing and rebuilding your life. What are some of the steps taken of healing and rebuilding your lives? Here are the steps. Roman 1, seeking professional help and support. Therapy and counseling can provide valuable support during the healing process. A qualified professional can help survivors of narcissistic relationships navigate their emotions, develop coping mechanisms, and rebuild their lives. Roman 2. Rediscovering personal interests and passions. Engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment helps in rediscovering one's identity outside the narcissistic relationships. Exploring hobbies, interests, and personal goals allows individuals to focus on their personal growth and happiness. Roman 3. Surrounding yourself with positive influences. Building a support network of friends, family, and individuals who understand and validate their experiences can provide much needed emotional support. Surrounding oneself with positive influences aids in the healing journey and fosters a sense of belonging. Number 4. Cultivating inner strength and growth. How do one cultivate inner strength and growth? Here are the steps. Roman 1. Building self-confidence and resilience. Working on self-confidence and resilience is essential for overcoming the negative effects of a narcissistic relationship. Engaging in positive self-talk, challenging self-limiting beliefs, and celebrating personal achievements contribute to personal growth. Roman 2. Practicing self-forgiveness and letting go. Forgiving oneself for any perceived mistake or shortcoming is a vital part of the healing process. Letting go of the past and embracing forgiveness helps in releasing emotional baggage and creating space for new beginnings. Roman 3. Embracing personal growth opportunities. Narcissistic relationships often hinder personal growth and autonomy. Embracing opportunities for self-improvement such as workshops, courses, or reading self-help books fosters personal development and empowers individuals to create a fulfilling future. Number 5. Finding happiness again. To find happiness again, these steps are very important. Roman 1. Rediscovering joy and fulfillment. After a narcissistic relationship, finding happiness may initially seem challenging. However, gradually exploring activities and experiences that bring joy can help in rekindling happiness and a sense of purpose. Roman 2. Developing healthy relationships. Building healthy relationships is crucial for finding happiness again. Surrounding oneself with individuals who respect boundaries, support personal growth, and foster positive connections contribute to a happier and more fulfilling lives. Roman 3. Celebrating personal achievements. Acknowledging and celebrating personal achievements, no matter how small, is an important part of healing journey. Each step forward should be recognized and appreciated as a testament to one's strength and resilience. Moving on from a narcissistic relationship is a courageous and transformative journey. By acknowledging the toxic dynamics, setting boundaries, seeking support, and focusing on personal growth, individuals can heal from the emotional wounds and find happiness again. Remember, you deserve to be loved and respected. Embrace the opportunities to create a future filled with joy, fulfillment, and authentic connections. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up to help me reach more people, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more content. Goodbye.